Molweni guys. I hope you're good. I can't even wear the jacket properly because ndizingcolisile apha. So hi Sanele. How are you? Mina ngiyaphila. Hi guys, actually kade ngandicina. Siyodlala. Kade ngandicina guys, I've been kade kwenzani ade kubamba amagwinya hotel. Yabo? So yeah, we haven't been active a lot. At an age. Angazi ukuthi ngithini manje because I wasn't sick, but I was just, feeling some type of way. Kodwa yabona ke manje sengiphethwe umkhuhlane ke. And manje ke khona lapho kumele ngabe khona ngiyatsamaya but ngaze ngahappy ngibona ulike video yami. Play video esitha ngabe yiphi. I wonder which video that it is. That it is. But me, like my video, guys. If your video is interesting, I'm gonna like it. I don't gatekeep, guys. I'm put some kushani shame, and angazi because it's making me like really tired. Every day, like that's me feeling. Oh yeah, I just saw that video like now. Am I not lying? I think we bona manje. Because of umkhuhlane guys, and it's going down. Like sis lutho. Ela ungiphe inamba yakho khona uzongidirecta mangizothenga imoto please. Inamba yami ithi 071 006 6001. 071 006 6001. Usho futhi mufuna ngephindo wesigcina ngizoyiphinda. Inamba yami ithi 071 006 6001. How much is Haval? Haval H6, it's 459 990. 459 990. Hey, Tishonet, Haval. Angas, just a convert as an icon. 071 006 6001. 071 006 6001. Oh, what's our Zanga? You can just go to my profile. Unamanga. Abona ngathi singawanda wona yini? Baba wakho wapi mfana?
Hey, ngiyamthelezika.
Uzothi uma usibaqamba ama-installment, it's plus or minus 8k. 8 to 8.5. Anginayo like accurate figure because installment calculator ka finance. So I don't know it. Hi guys, I hope you guys are good. My name is Filasane. I am a sales cadet at Halfway in Durban Central. This is
me.
Kuluma Pela.
Me.
Not 5k. Le Haval mina enginayo is on 5k. That's a Haval H6. It's sports, super luxury. So it's not 5k. Unless if you're talking about a different Haval, maybe you can take my number and send me pictures on WhatsApp.
Yindlen.
Siyabonga weneli. Ngicela uyakuzona zami. Lo mfana lo.
Uhlala munje.
Ngicela usongiyeke, bese siyabona ukuthi ngiyasebenza la. Bokulela emsebenzini.
Ngiyasela vele.
Guys, angithi ngiyabona ukuthi bengizama ukwenza introduction la. Guys, my name is Philasande Ncamu and I sell cars. I'm a sales cadet at Halfway in Durban Central. Halfway is based by McDonald's. If you know where McDonald's is, Old Fort Road, McDonald's. Gase YMCA, no muti ngase Mashurenk. Gang 190K Imasinga Road. This is
Customers right now.
This is Tobelani.
They're like, sure.
This is Tobelani Butelezi. He's also a sales cadet here in Durban Central. So if you want
Cases.
customers in bed.
Cases.
Bathi wow. Bafisa ngisho ngathi bengaposta bethi shenga ucule phela.
Bathi nje pause enzini.
Guys, sidayise imoto la, sidayise imoto. Umuntu esimdayisela imoto, you need to be earning a minimum salary of 7.5 after deductions. 7.5 after deductions, and you need to have a credit score of 610. You also need to have a good credit profile. Giyeza lapho ngihola u5,000. Sisu ake uthi ukulinda kancane mama ukuhole u7.5. You need to be earning a minimum of 7.5 after deductions, and then you need to have a credit score of 600. Nangu beyond. You need to have a credit score of 610. If it's less than that, then your credit profile has to be good.
So we are
Gazini anginayo imoto ka 3K monthly installment mhlambe singaqala ku 4,000 yabo 3.8 at least 3.8. That can be a Quid or a Toyota Vitz, noma a Grand i10, a pre-owned singafika ku 3.8. I sell pre-owned cars, brand new cars, ama demo. We also do ama trade-in. So if you're looking to trade in a car, mhlambe kade usebenzisa you wanna upgrade or you wanna downgrade, it's totally up to you. You can do it. Okay? We have all types of cars. The cheapest car we have is a Grand i10. It's going for I now decline one otimina. You could enjoy guys with yo. Ha.
Yo, you can resign with immediate effect.
Yo. Yo. Ngicela nithenge imoto bafisa sinabona. Ushengu uyangihleka ke manje. Ngicela nithenge imoto bafe. Ngicela nithenge imoto. Asisimiye lo ohlekayo. Okay, umuntu oqualify for ukuthenga imoto, umuntu othola a minimum salary of 7.5 after deductions, and you need to have a credit score of 610. You also need to have a good credit profile. A credit profile. Ya uvela wangena wathi za. Yo, Ngeke guys sengixobekile.
Hey. Oh, Buzungu. Hey, how's that day? Sorry.
Ake ngifake inamba yami lapha ngiqhubeke nomsebenzi. 071 zingane zakwethu asambeni ke. Angithi ngimchazelile umuntu oqualifyayo for ukuthola imoto. Umuntu oqualifyayo for ukuthola imoto. Kambe ubani lo wamjisa ehlekayo? Ayibo. Awuhambe la awuhambe. Hey, yazi ukuthi your enemies are never too far. I am in enemy territory.
I'm not your enemy. What you saying?
Cela uchazela abantu la ukuthi umuntu onjani uqualify ukuthola imoto.
Ohola 7.5 kuyaphezulu. Usebenzani lo? Usebenzana ukufaka document? Ohola 7.5 kuyaphezulu.
Isukuhleka.
Okay.
Shonok.
Ohola 7.5 kuyaphezulu. On what is the credit score? Ka 611 kuyaphezulu. Afake ilokhu zama u self employed. Fanele wenze around boma 15-20,000 lapho depending ohlobo lwemoto eyifunayo. Fake ID, ufake i-license, faka ama-payslip 3 months, fake ilokhuzane ama-payslip 3 months. Oh, when you ama-payslip eqaleni, ama-bank statement again this time.
Azoke. Izule guys. Sesiqalile kumuntu oqualifyayo to buy a car is if you need to be earning a minimum of 7.5 after deductions. Your credit score needs to be 610. Payslip if you're self-employed, no. If you're self-employed, you don't need a payslip. You need a bank statement got 6 months if you are self-employed. 6 months bank statement because obviously you don't have a payslip, right?
Angifuni.
Bese ke 610 credit score ka 610. It also need to have a good credit profile. I credit profile ke guys into echazayo ukuthi usukwelete bani
kanjani and stuff.
So if ukuthi wena wakaba blacklisted back then wayishiya kanjalo account yakho manje usuyakhokha kuzobonakala ukuthi hayibo
yabo
khona la oke wabheda khona. You make 30k, you're on 608 credit score. If you are employed, then we can assist you because sometimes yenze kube ne credit score encane but kuba ukuthi umsebenzi owenzayo uyakufakazela ukuthi ungakwazi ukukhokha. For example, if you work for departments like for the government, it's very easy for finance to consider you even though a credit score encane because umsebenzi owenzayo also puts a good credit record for you.
Awuphila uyiwana bale.
So it's in the back. If you don't have a payslip but uyasebenza, then you send us a contract yomsebenzi contract. If ukuthi anitholi contract, then uzo send bank statement ka 6 months whereby they can be able to check your affordability.
Asifuna umunye decline.
Awuthi ngikublock wena.
Thini?
Lo lokho ekhuluma ngezandla.
Awublock.
Uzana nabantu abangasile. Yeah guys, if you are self-employed, you need to be making a minimum of 15k per month at least. If ngithi 15k ngithi minimum guys. So let's say because umuntu self-employed again imali efanayo njalo ngeenyanga.
Yes.
So since ngifuna u6 months wena ukuze uzoba able yabo uzoba on the safe side yenza u20 wenza u15 yenza u20 wenza u15 wenza u17 mhlawumbe ungayenzi la mhlawumbe wenza u7 la uphinde wenza umunye u15 uphinde wenza umunye u20 yabo khona kuzobalance. You need to have at least 15k but kuye phezulu. Sacela ungisiza ungigcwalisela ngifuna ukwenza license. Ngigcwalisela ngani manje?
Ngicwalisela yini manje?
Are you able to check credit score? Yes, you can check your credit score. You can also use in Clear Score. Although it's not accurate, but uzokunikeza into ethi ayicishe ibe yiyona. But Clear Score is not accurate, guys. So ngenzela ukuthi if uyicheckela wena ku credit score bese uyabuya kumina ngitshela ukuthi credit score yakhe iyabheda. that's how it works. Because clear score is not accurate. So finance, they have a proper way of checking your credit score. Because clear score accurate. Clear score has an idea okay guys, let me go show you the cars that we have. Remember, if you want to buy a car from me, you need to be earning a minimum of 7.5 after deductions. You need to have a credit score of 610. Bese ungisendela i-ID, ungisendela i-license, ungisendela ama-bank statement, ungisendela i-payslip mawukuthi uyasebenza. If awunayo license, you are also able to buy a car. However, you need to have a nominated driver. A nominated driver, guys, it can only be your parents, your spouse, or your child. Akwazi kubo sisi wakho, akwazi kubo bhuti wakho.
Uthi le score asibona kwi-app correct?
Yes, it's not correct, but it's more or less, yeah. It gives you an idea as well. It's not accurate because in thing is show ukuthi funi omoto funa uyithenga kushenge. Yes, you can take his number.
55 after deduction credit score angazi.
Yipi SUV engingayithola. You can get everyone. You can also get an Omoda C9.
The question is yiphi wena uyifuna?
Just share ukuthi budget yakho for ukuthenga imoto nansi and ufuna SUV, and then mina ngizobe sengikusiza. You can just take my number. My number is 071 006 6001. It's live. 071 006 6001. Yeah. Let's go see the cars. Let's go see the Kolois.
Ngagcina mina ukuba live. Nyanya nje.
7-seater ungayithola bhuti wami i-359,990 Suzuki Ertiga le. This is the first car we have. This is a Polo TSI Life, guys. This is the highest spec of a Polo, as you guys can see. No, Kia Rio, you can't get it for 3.5, ma'am. This is a newer spec of a Polo. It has the IQ lights, as you guys can see. It's 289,990. Nah, guys, nah. Automatic. Manually. It has a lot of features, as you guys can see. It also has a reverse camera, so when you're reversing, how far are you from an object. It also has a sunroof. Let's go, daughters, let's go. Here we have a Hyundai i20. This Hyundai i20 is 249,990. Sorry guys, I just want to put the tripod. Okay, here we have a Hyundai i20. It's 249,990. As you guys can see, manually le Hyundai i20. Nansi nayi interior corner. It's 249,990. Da 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 da. Nine. Pre-owned 7-seater. It's 359,990 Suzuki Ertiga. You need to send me this one. It's 299,990, basically 300,000. This is the highest spec, guys, of Lily Polo. As you guys can see, the malaita la ayakanya. I'm gonna post a video to show you all the cool features on my thingy. 359,990. You need to send me your documents so we can do an application where user, and then we can talk. You need to be earning a minimum of 7.5 after deductions if you want to buy a car, and you need to have a good credit score, guys, 610 at least. Lana ke siphethe i-Starlet. This is a Toyota Starlet 1.5 XS. It's manually. It's 229,990. 1.5 liter engine. Nice. If you are looking for imoto encane njongayisebenzisa for getting from point A to point B, or you're looking for a car to use for Uber, this Starlet XS is perfect for that, because it's manually and Uber drivers usually say abayifuna imoto automatic. So lana siphethe 2022 Hyundai Venue, yona 249,990 nayo manual, as you guys can see. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to take my number, or you can just write them down here and I will assist you accordingly. Here we have an Audi 2023 Audi Q2. The Audi is 417,990. Now our Polo, this is a Polo, the Comfort Line Lena, guys. It's 289,990. This is a Comfort Line, it's automatic. Bese la siphethe another Polo Vivo Comfort Line automatic. This one is 289,990. And then we have the big boys, something for the big boys. This is a JQ J7 E-Glacier. It's 479,900 rand, as you guys can see. So if you are interested in this car, you can just... So if you are an Uber or Bolt driver and imal engena gwen, it's about 2,000 when 2,000 per month, 2,000 per week, 2,000, you know, 2,000 a week, which is 2,468. Okay. It can't. If you're self-employed, you can't be making 8k a month. You need to be making at least 15k a month, because the way they calculate for umuntu self-employed no umuntu employed, it's not the same. Okay. Audi Q2 2023, it's 417,990. So your monthly installments is plus or minus 7k. So here we have a Tiguan, guys. This is a 2023 Tiguan. It's 415,000. This Tiguan. If you are interested in any of these cars, please just take my number, send me a message and tell me which car you're looking for. This is a Omoda C5. It is street. This is an entry-level Omoda and it's going for 390,990. The motor is an akfiga, guys, so you know ukuthi izoshesha ukuhamba because it's big in the market. White Polo, send a picture of it as well. Please take my number, send a message on WhatsApp. I will send you pictures of the Polo that you're requesting. Even if you are working for someone else, yes. It doesn't change whether you're working for someone else or you're working for yourself. If you are self-employed, you need to be making at least 15k a month. Lana, we have Hyundai Creta 1.5 executive yona 359,990. As you guys can see, this car has leather seats. It has parking sensors. This is an SUV, guys. It's 359,990. It's automatic. It's very affordable. Your monthly installment is plus or minus 7k, from 6.8 to 7k. It has leather seats. It's very spacious, as you guys can see. Na ya puts lapaya inkulu nje inkulu. 359,990 for this SUV. So if you're interested in it, just take my number. My number is 071 006 6001. Guys. Here we have your best entry-level car. This is the Grand i10. It's going for 199,990. This is your Hyundai Grand i10. So your monthly installment here is between 4 to 4.5k. This is a Grand i10, guys. This Grand i10 is literally is literally gonna sell out really fast, because guys, you see, this is a Grand i10. It's 199. Okusho ukuthi ungawukhokha ngisho u4,000 ngenyanga for imoto enama leather seats. It's a good bargain. Range Rover or Land Cruiser unayo yini? No, I don't have it. I had a Ford Ranger last week and what do you call this car? And Lokunjan, JAC. We have a JAC for Amapaki. So just go to my wall and you're gonna see most of the cars that we have. Nice. Yo, guys. 199. 200. Lana, guys, we have a Suzuki Desire. This is the perfect car if you're wanting to start an Uber business. You're looking for an entry-level car. It's automatic and it's going for 249,990. Please send me a message on WhatsApp if you are interested. If you are interested, and we Ritlobuwa, wankutla. Riabuwa, no. Here we have your Hyundai i20. To those who didn't see it, this is a Hyundai i20. It's going for 249,990. This car is a manual. So if you're looking for an entry-level car, you're looking for a car to do your Uber business with, looking for a car to buy for your child as a first car, perfect car to just take you from point A to point B. Here we have a 2022 Polo Hatch 1.0 TSI Life. It's going for 299,990. As you guys can see, this is the highest spec of this Polo. It has many cool features. It has IQ lights. It has sunroof, as you guys can see. Let's go into the interior. This car is a manual. It has a multifunctioning steering wheel. It has air conditioners, you guys can see. It also has a reverse camera. So when you're reversing, there's a camera ekukhombisa ukuthi khonani ngemuva kwakho. Nayi-ke guys, 299,990. Highest speculation of this car. Here we have your Starlet XS. Starlet XS gets an interest for many first-time buyers. Umuntu ofuna imoto nje as an entry-level car, azoqala ngayo driver, azoqala ngayo ibhizinisi, just started working, you want a car engeke izikinye kakhulu when it comes to monthly installments. Lana sinayo Starlet XS. This Starlet is 229,990, which means you can pay plus or minus 4.5k for monthly installments, sorry. We move. Here we have a Hyundai Venue 1.0 fluid. It's going for 259,990. Here we have a Suzuki Grand Vitara 1.5 GL. It's automatic and it is 349,990. Guys, this is an SUV. So if you're looking for a comfortable car for you and your family, this is perfect for that. As you guys can see, it's very spacious. It's automatic. It has a multifunction steering wheel. It has an engine start button. So you just put the key there and then you start the car on the button. This is the car. Very spacious and very perfect for someone who's looking for a family car. 359,990. This is an SUV, guys. Suzuki Grand Vitara. If you're looking to buy a car, please note that you must be making a minimum of 7.5 after deductions. Bese i-credit score yakho iba ku-610. Siyabonga madlala sis ngama Rose. Here we have a Toyota Corolla Cross 1.8 Hybrid XR. Le moto, guys, it's very spectacular. This car also uses ugesi, so if you go for 60 kms, this car can switch and use electricity if you run out of petrol. As you guys can see, this is the highest spec Hybrid XR lena. This car is going for 439,990. It's a perfect family SUV. Even better, it has leather seats, as you guys can see. So if anything spills nje uyazi ukuthi ingane ayikumoshanga kakhulu ngokuchitha ingcenye. Nayi moto, guys, lokhu njani, automatic, as you guys can see, multifunctioning steering wheel. It has a reverse camera. This is a touch screen, as you guys can see. This car now, you don't put the key in. It has a start button. Here is the start button. So I'll drive over and press it. Now back corner, guys. This is the back. These are the back seats. Still leather na corner. So if you have a baby, you know ukuthi ingane yakho is safe because angeke ziqathake esitulweni due to this feature, ISOFIX. It has ISOFIX ukuze uzokwazi ukumounta kahle isitulo sengane lapha. So makwenzeka uba in an accident, ingane ngeke iziwe kanje, izoqhubeka ibe intact because izobihlanganise lapha nesitulo. Siyaqhubeka ingane zakwethu. So this one is 439,990, which means you're looking at paying plus or minus 8k. Yes, my darlings. This is for my homeboys, my home ladies who want to start a business. You're looking for a 7-seater. This Suzuki Ertiga is a 2025 1.5 GA. It's 359,990. It's brand new, guys. This is a brand new 7-seater Suzuki Ertiga, 359,990. Looking at a monthly installment of 7K. If you get a good deal, you can even pay 6.5. Now interior le 7-seater, guys. If ufuna imoto ozowenza ngayo Bolt, ufuna imoto mhlawumbe ozothatha ngayo staff seyingane, so just contact me. My number is 071-006-6001. Guys, imoto ke guys iyakhulunyelwa ke nje. Uyakhuluma nje mawufuna imoto. Uyasho ukuthi phela Sande le 7-seater okade uyi-advertisele ngiyayifuna, but u-7,000 angizuba nawo ukuthi ngikhokhele monthly. Mina ngicela ukuthi ngikhokhele u-6.5. And then obviously mina as your salesperson, I have to do my job and work out that deal for you in order for you to pay lo 6.5 ofunayo. This is a Suzuki Ertiga, guys. Manually 359,990 for those who want to buy it cash. Arita mayenge. Guys, ziningi nje indlela zokunciphisa installment. You guys also know you can pay a deposit. Ngakuleyo deposits futhi there can also be balloon payments. You can always request for ways to lessen your monthly installments if you really need the car. Here we have a Toyota Hilux. This is a 2.4D single cab and the aircon. It's 429,990. So ma umuntu ofuna imali moto uyathatha le moto inane canopy, uyafaka ama-battery, uyathutha ingane zesikoleni. There's a lot of things you can do with this car using it for work. Here we have your Isuzu double cab A9 canopy, guys. This car is going for 479. This car is going for 479. This is 479,990. To my sisters and my ladies who are interested, Kumabaki, that have the latest features, La Cinema JAC, guys. Asidlali ke la sinama JAC, ama Superlux, ama 4x4, ama 4x2. Prices range from 409,000. Yay! It's 599,990. That's a JAC T9. It's a Superlux. It has all the cool features you can think of. Nakamabaki, guys. Nakamabaki. Ingasokoli sikhona nganza bethu. Just take my number. Usho ukuthi mina phela Sande imoto engiyifunayo ile. Guys, if there's a car that you want and you didn't see me showing it to you here on the floor, best believe ukuthi ikhona. We can definitely get it for you. We have so many different branches here. So nje if ufuna imoto uzoyithola na kanjani. Nangu 7-seater wethu u-359,990. This is your Suzuki Ertiga. You take my number, you send me a message. Here phila Sande na imali engiholayo ngicela ungitholele Ertiga 359,990. If kuukuthi uyasebenza, you need to be earning a minimum of 7.5 after deductions. If kuukuthi uyayisebenza, you need to be making at least 15K ngenyanga ukuze uzoqualifyela i-entry level. La siphethe i-2024 Toyota Corolla Cross 1.6 hybrid XR, imoto ebuye izishintshe isebenze ngogesi makuphela upetroli. This is the highest spec. It's a hybrid XR, has a 1.5 liter, automatic. It also has leather seats. So guys, if there are any questions, my comment section is open. You guys can be free to ask questions. We can talk and I will give you guys information on where you need it. You guys are more than welcome to request whether nifuna ukwazi ukuthi i-deposit isiza ngane emotweni, whether i-balloon payment is compulsory or not. All those questions, just ask them in my comment section or send me a message on WhatsApp and I'll definitely share some information with you. Here we have a 2024 Suzuki Grand Vitara 1.5 GLA automatic. It's going for 349,990. This is the type of car that we call an SUV. Lana siphethe i-Hyundai Venue 2020. It's 259. 990. This is a fluid, as you guys can see. It has roof rails. La siphethe imoto yokuphanda, siphethe your first car, siphethe imoto that you want to take you from point A to point B, siphethe imoto kama athi ufuna ukuyithengela ingane yakhe ukuze isebenze. This is a Toyota Starlet XS. It's manual, going for 229,990. Manual, guys, le moto, and ayumosh kakhulu petrol, so angeke uzudleke kakhulu ephaketheni. Here we have your 2022 Hyundai Venue 1.0 motion. Manual, it's 249,990. Excuse me. Then guys, we have Audi Q2. This is going for 417,990. This is also an SUV that you can use with your family. Ratsamaya. Sawana? Kapila mama jana. Mr. Ngobese. Okay, let me just take you to him. And who's ngala? Akekho office lakhe base ucela umlinde khona and then inform him ukuthi ngilinde la. Say Cedric. Yo. Ngiphunyukile bengifuna ukucela ukuthi ngifonelele umphathi ngoba sekhozimeli live kunosisi omlindile lapha.
Awubekani ngathi yosela futhi mina yedwa ekapakile. Awunayi right leyo nto. Awunayi right leyo.
Uzwe kanjani uphansi stock sometime.
Awunayi right ukuthini. Uthini? Manje why
wenzani mbuzo?
Ngiyacela imoto leni ipushelani manje Cedric yabona nenziwe. Cedric nenzi fraud ke manje.
Wena fraud sir.
Cela imfonele bafey. Hawu sisi ngithaka kahlale phansi nje. Cela imfonele umphathi.
Hawu ubani customer? Wena
But ngikwi live.
uma kula ngulungelo.
Hawu cho mngeke phela.
Ungayibali live.
Sufuna ngiqosheke umsebenzi. Sorry guys, I just had to attend to something really quickly. Bese sike konje. Okay, bese sila. Siyaqhubeka ingane zakwethu siyaqhubeka. Here we have a Hyundai. This is an i20. So it's perfect for an entry-level car. This is a Hyundai i20 1.2 motion. It's 249,990. 249,990. So if you're interested, you just take my number and we get going. Let's go and talk. Okay, guys, singing komisile is imoto. He says make it at home. Ushiye kwamba waphuma wahamba. Yes.
Okay, ngizomfonela manje.
Usho lesi usashiye kwamba waphuma wahamba. Didi. Guys, sengishintshile ngisanikhonjisa imoto ke because mina ngathi anizifuni izikoloyi. Sengifuna sixoxeke. If you guys have any questions, you can write them down there. Ina mami lokho isuka lapha kuphinekile. Yeah. So there's my number. You just take my number if you have any questions. If you're looking for a specific car, you take my number and you contact me. Umuntu qualify yoga guys to buy a car. You need to be making a minimum of 7.5 after deductions. Okay, 7.5 after deductions, not before. You also need to have a credit score of 610, and you also need to have a good credit profile. You need to have a good credit profile as well. If I'm saying you need to have a good credit profile, guys, I mean if Kuguti get finance, they are going through your stuff, they are checking okay, you know, all those stuff. You must be clean. Akumele kube khona i-record lokuthi mhlambe you've been blacklisted somewhere, or you have accounts you're not paying for, you have missing payments, you have all those things. Ezo zinto lezo ziyaku-affecta. Those things have a bad effect on your credit score. Okay, so you need to make sure that you pay for your accounts in time, you don't have any missing payments, you don't have any accounts in arrears. Make sure that you pay for your accounts in time, because next time like you weren't paying. The i10 silicone along 2025, it's going for 224,990, which means you're gonna be paying plus or minus 4.7. You can depend on your interest. You get what I'm saying? The interest monthly installment, guys. Me as a salesperson, I can never give you an accurate figure. I can give you an estimation based on the amount of the car. But mangabe say ihambile application yakho yaba approved, yahamba yaye bank bakunikeza lokunjani interest rates ethile, then that's only when you can find out your thingy. That's the only time you'll find out your monthly installments accurate. Usithola mangabe sekubuye i-feedback. Nakhona ke lapho, guys, you're more than welcome ukusho ukuthi Phila Sandi imoto ngiyayidinga ngempela, but I don't have the means to pay u4.7, at least ningenzele kube 4.5. Now phela don't be ridiculously with it. Like mhlawumbe ukuthi uthola ukuthi befanele ukhokhe 5k bese uthena nginciphisele kube 4. Angeke kuze kwenzeke kanjalo, guys. Nami mangabe nginegotiator, I have to negotiate to a realistic rate. Yes, bank loan decide ukuthi ukhokha malini, because we don't do vehicle finance. The bank does vehicle finance. I'm sure you're aware of that. So if you send me an application and you want to buy a car using e-finance, usho ukuthi wena ufuna ibank likuthengele imoto. So that's why ngithi nami the bank decides ukuthi ukhokha malini, because ibank isuke sel add interest yalo phela yokuthi ikhokhelwa yilona, you know, and then you're gonna get your monthly installments after the bank has done calculations and the bank has approved you. It's not up to us as the dealership to tell you how much you have to pay, unless if cash. If you're buying the car cash, then there's no interest, there's nothing. If I post the car and it's 559, and when you fail 559, it's now 559 plus and where I told you get your car same time. I hope I'm very clear with that. So guys, if you fully motor, just keep any motor easily, no hesitations, no problems. You can just take my number. My number is 071 006 6001. But also I need to make you guys aware ukuthi umuntu blacklisted angimsizi, umuntu under debt review angimsizi, guys. Like honestly, you need to have a good credit profile njengoba ngishilo, and your credit score needs to be at least 611, 610, 611 kuya phezulu. Also you need to have a good credit profile, because again ukuthi credit score yakho ibo 611 but uthola ukuthi ama account akho awakhokheli ngesikhathi, so you have accounts in arrears, you have missing payments. That can be very discouraging for the bank esuke kulona elizokunikeza i-vehicle finance. If you're applying for vehicle finance, everything of yours must be clear, guys, because one mistake nje it's over for you. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi ukuze ube safe, just make sure ukuthi you make your payments for your accounts in time. In fact nje if ukuthi kumele ukhokhe njalo nge-30, khokha a day before, so that by the time everything is loaded and you're not owing anything, to prevent this thing of having missing payments and stuff like that. No, you can't. There's no car you can get for 50k to 60k from me. cheapest car that I have is a, what is it? Is it a Renault Kwid or is it a Vitz? Yeah, it's a Renault Kwid. It's going for 179,990. Basically, the Vitz is a iyabo 199 kanye ne-Grand i10 lelaya ngo-2022 it's 199,990. So for those cars you can pay close to 4k to 4.5 depending on your interest. see what you do with that information. La we have a Kia Pegasus. This Kia Pegasus has leather seats. It's going for 249,990. Kia Pegasus 249,990. It has leather seats. It is automatic, as you guys can see. Multifunctioning steering wheel. Perfect if you want to start an Uber business or you want to buy an entry-level car. And then we have your 2022 Polo TSI Life. This Polo has very advanced features, as you guys can see. These lights, not every Polo has them. Lights going for 299,990. In a sunroof, it has a sunroof. It is manually operated, as you guys can see. Multifunctioning steering wheel. Yeah, that's just about it. Oh, it also has a reverse camera. So reverse camera. So if you're interested in this Polo, please just take my number. My number is 071-006-6001. We are based in Durban Central. However, siyakulanda la osuke ukhona mangabe kumele sikudeliver. And if it happens that you're not in KZN, best believe you will get your car delivered to you as long as you are in South Africa. So please just take my number, have your inquiries on my WhatsApp, and I will assist you guys accordingly. Lana ke siphethe iJQ iJ7. Kunobebuzile ngeJ7 guys, na iJ7 iJQ. Now I can't show you guys properly because there's a client inside. Yeah, big. Last siphethe 2024 Polo Vivo. Comfort line automatic, it's 289,990. And then we have a Hyundai i20 1.2 motion, 249,990. Looking for a car that's gonna take you from point A to point B. You manually looking for a car ungasebenza ngayo ku Uber. Nali i20 guys. Siyaqhubeka. Here's your SUV. This is an Audi Q2. It's a 2023 version. It's going for 417,990. Siyaqhubeka la siphethe Hyundai Venue yango 2022 manual guys. This is an SUV. That's a 5-seater and it's 249,990. Nasi ke istarlet ade ngikhuluma ngaso ukuthi if you're looking for an entry level car guys, ufuna ukuthenga imoto ozosebenzisa ku Uber, nasi istarlet si 229,990. So monthly installment yakho kungaba ngisho 4K masinga add balloon uphinde nawe mhlawumbe uphose le deposit 4K singawukhokha la. Manually ke lesi starlet. La siphethe 2020 Hyundai Venue 1.0 fluid. It's going for 259,990. If you are interested in any of these cars guys, please take my number and we can talk. Here we have a 2024 Suzuki Grand Vitara. It's 349,990. This is an SUV. It's a family car. It has a multifunctioning steering wheel. It's a 5-seater. Yes, these are pre-owned cars with less than 50,000 kms. La siphethe Toyota Corolla Cross. This Toyota Corolla Cross nje ino 20,000 kilometers mileage yakhona. It's going for 439,990. Here we have a brand new Suzuki Ertiga. This Suzuki Ertiga is brand new guys. It's going for 359,990. So fufuni imoto ngayisebenzisa for umsebenzi, imoto ezogcina ikhokhela yon installment, uyathatha staff seyingane zesikole, uyathatha uBolt ebusuku OXL, siyagijima la 179.
Yeah, lila.
Nakamabhaki. If you're looking for amabhaki guys, ama 4.2, ama 4.4, now ama JAC guys, now ama JAC. These are powered cars. Konama Superlux, Konama Luxy. These cars are all automatic and they have the perfect ground clearance, as you guys can see. Let me go show you guys. Guys, guys, I'm gonna be going off now. My battery is at 8%. So please take my number if you know you're interested in buying a car. These are the cars we have. Also, if there's a car that you want and awuyiboni lana, khululeka mama, mina ngizokutholela leyo moto leyo, because la ekhaya sinama branches amaningi, so akwenzeki kube khona imoto oyifunayo bese ungayitholi. So you can just take my number, send me your WhatsApp. If you know you're earning a minimum of 7.5 after deductions, 7.5 after deductions, and you have a good credit profile, ne credit score yakho nayo ayikhalisi kakhulu, uyazi ke lapho uzobe usuthatha inamba yami ungisendele uWhatsApp usho ukuthi phela Sande ngifuna imoto ekanje. Lapha yana ke we have, don't know if you guys are gonna see, we have a Creta. It's going for 359,990 there at the far end. That is a family car. It's a 5-seater with leather seats, a multifunctioning steering wheel. 359,990. That is an SUV, guys. La sine Omoda C5. Le Omoda, guys, is a demo. It's not a used car. It's a demo. It's going for 319,990. Omoda C5 entry level. Omoda multifunctioning steering wheel, voice projector. Mukul manayash. Omoda, please do this. Has a reverse camera. Has parking sensors. Everything you can think of. I don't have a pre-owned one at the moment. Ngine brand new. Nayo kodwa it's very, very cheap. It's 359,990. Brand new Suzuki Ertiga. 359,990. La siphethe Grand i10. This Grand i10 is going for 199,990. It's a manually operated car with leather seats. Angazi ukuthi ngabe uyitholephi. Imoto ka 199. Ka 199 enama leather seats. Monthly installment yakho an estimate of estimate angithi izobo 6.8 to 7k, but I can't give you an accurate figure. That's an estimation. You would have to put an application, and if it gets approved, then you would know what your monthly installment is. Nazi imoto, guys, nazi imoto. Nazi ikari. Ake ngithi-ke ngizobuye nginibone izingane zakwethu because ngiphelelwa yile mpahla bathi ibheji la. Ngiphelelwa yile mpahla bathi ibheji. But guys, you can go on my profile ucheck imoto esinazo because zikhona ngiyipostile. Zikhona imoto engiyipostile. You can just take my number. Inamba yami ihlezi ikhona ke lapha. Ikhona even on my bio. Okay guys, sizobuya sibe live isikhathini manje 13:49. Ake ngithi mhlawumbe sizobuya masezoshaya u3. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, to those who texted me inquiring. If you know anyone who's looking for a car, please give them my number. Just so you know, if you refer someone to buy a car with Mina and they get successful, Beitata Imoto, you get paid a certain amount depending on which car it was that you referred to. But kukala go 2k to 5k just for referring. Okay, my number is 071 006 6001. 071 006 6001. I hope you guys all heard. Let me just add my number 071 006 6001. To those who just joined, I see motor like hi. So if you're looking for cars, you can just browse through my profile, and then I will assist you accordingly.